Now let's talk about the second project that I have built. Suppose an interviewer asks you about to explain your second project. My second project is its name is Credit C, which is a lending platform. It digitizes the whole loan system. The problem it solves is basically pretty simple as in the manual application process, it takes a lot of times, do a lot of paperwork, and it's also lacks the transparency on a loan section. For resolving this problem, I have built this centralized platform where the entire loan system can be operate in a smooth centralized system. I built it using the for the front end part. I have used Next.js with Element CSS, and the front end is deployed on the Vercel. And for the backend part, I have used Node.js, and server is built using Express.js and database MongoDB, which is used to store the entire uh, application data of an applicant or borrower. And the whole the backend system is deployed on the render. Now let's talk about the whole process of flow of working of the entire lending platform. Suppose a borrower request by submitting all the after logging, hit submit and make a request. This HTTP request goes to the HTTP, basically Express server. Express server will receive the request. First, it will validate the HTTP input. After a successful input validation, it will send to the authentication middleware where a user will be authorized. Suppose if there is uh, user is uh, valid user, then the control will pass to the controller where the validated data will be extracted and it will be passed to the next section, that is services, which uh, take care of about the business logic. After validating the business logic, it calls the repository sections where the different CRUD operations will be going on according to request of the client. Uh, CRUD function will be uh, take place after calling in function. Suppose the new user will be create its account and make a new loan. Then this request will go to the from a repository. Suppose call the create the new user using the entire data repository. After validating the all the data, repository called the MongoDB query that create an user and save on the MongoDB. After creating successful creating of the user and save on the database, it will return to the service and services return to the controller. Controller format the data and return to the user. That's the whole process about the credit C platform. Here, I have implemented different role-based entity. For example, the sales sections, sanctions sections, disbursement and collection section, each have their own role that control whole process of loan processing. Yeah, that's all about the lending platform. Thank you.